After a 15-year hiatus, Lincoln resurrected the Continental nameplate for 2017, but something was missing: suicide doors. That was, at least until now. The new Lincoln Continental Coach Door Edition brings those center opening doors back into the limelight for 2019. Celebrating 80 years of the Continental nameplate, which first hit the road in 1939, this Continental's iconic suicide-style slammers first debuted in 1961. All Coach Door Edition Continentals are based on the top Black Label spec and will feature a taste of hot rod Lincoln flavor under the hood with a twin-turbo 3-liter V6 making 400 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. A 6-speed automatic channels that power to all 4 wheels. With a 6-inch longer wheelbase than the standard Continental, the Coach Door Edition expands on what was already a roomy interior. That longer wheelbase is especially relevant to rear passengers who will enjoy the most generous rear legroom in the Conti's segment. Folks in the back seat also get a pass-through center console featuring a hideaway tablet holder and tray table. Up front ain't a bad place to be either. The driver and front passenger are treated to seats with 30-way adjustability. The Coach Door Edition may be 60s inspired, but this Continental will carry the latest tech Lincoln has to offer, including Sync 3 infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 19-speaker Revel Ultima audio system. The Coach Door Edition will also feature the latest in driver assistance tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, collision mitigation braking, automated parallel parking, and a head-up display. If suicide doors make you weak in the knees, you'd better place your orders now. Lincoln is building only 80 of these puppies in 2019, and another batch in 2020, corresponding with demand. Pricing is expected to be announced early next year, but for now, expect an MSRP north of $100,000 when these hit dealer lots next summer. That's a huge price premium considering an all-wheel drive Black Label Continental with standard rear doors comes in around $80,000. But if this Lincoln's interesting approach to ingress and egress isn't your style, you can still buy a Continental with conventionally hinged rear doors. For more details about the Lincoln Continental Coach Door Edition, click on over to theroadshow.com.